Wish I was brighter, so we could build a house in the countryside, a pretty yard in front of it. Yeah, I wish we were brighter, so we could be whoever we'd like to be. I wish nothing bothered me. Used to live. I went to the liquor store where I used to buy us drinks. Look at me, I'm so impatient. Why aren't you here next to me? Let me in. Why don't you talk to me? Was it something that I did? Look at me, I'm so pathetic, holding on, fearing that I'll never get it. I have never been an asshole, I've always been good to you. What the hell went wrong? Why aren't you here next to me? Wish I was brighter, so we could build a house in the countryside, pretty yard in front of it.